Have you ever walked into your home and you see that your walls damp and that smell of water damage taking over? It's one of the worst feelings. When you see the damage, the first question that comes to your mind is, how much will this cost to fix? In this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about the real cost of water damage restoration. What affects it, how professionals estimate it, and what you can expect when you call experts. This video is brought to you by RestorationNurse.com, which is the leading network that connects you with trusted, certified restoration companies near you. If your home or property has been hit by water damage, don't wait for it to get worse. Just click the link in the description below, and our team will instantly connect you with expert professionals in your area who can restore your space quickly, smoothly, and safely. If we talk about the cost of water damage restoration cost, it can vary a lot. On average, homeowners spend anywhere from $1,300 to $5,600, depending on how severe the damage is. But those numbers only tell part of the story. The actual price depends on four main factors: the source of water, extent of damage, materials affected, and response time. Let's unpack every factor one by one. First, the type of water matters more than you think. Clean water from a burst pipe or rain leak is easier and cheaper to fix. But gray water, like from a dishwasher or washing machine overflow, already carries contaminants, which need more treatment. And then there's black water, which mostly comes from sewage backups or floodwater. Black water cleanups need heavy disinfection, full protective gear, and sometimes total material removal, which makes them the most expensive type of restoration. Next comes the extent of the damage. If water has only affected a small area, drying and cleanup may be enough. But if it's been sitting for a while, moisture seeps into walls, floors, and insulation, turning a small issue into a full structural restoration. That's where costs rise quickly, especially if mold starts growing within 24 to 48 hours. Speaking of materials, the type of surfaces affected plays a big role too. For example, drying out drywall or carpets is one thing, but hardwood floors, ceilings, and cabinetry often require more time, equipment, and sometimes it can lead to the replacement. Even a few inches of water can cause thousands in damage when it hits wood or electrical components. And one of the biggest factors is how quickly you respond. The sooner the restoration begins, the less damage will take over, and the total cost will be low too. That's why professionals emphasize quick action. Water damage doesn't wait, and every hour counts. At RestorationNurse.com, we make sure that our network operates 24/7 and instantly connects homeowners and business owners with nearby professional restoration companies, so when disaster strikes, help arrives fast before the damage spreads any further. Now, a lot of people wonder, what's included in a water damage restoration service? Typically, you're paying for inspection, water extraction, drying, cleaning, and restoration. Technicians use industrial fans and dehumidifiers to dry the structure, remove damaged materials, clean and disinfect surfaces, and finally rebuild what's been lost, bringing your home back to its pre-damage condition. It's also important to mention insurance. Many homeowners' insurance policies cover water damage, but not all types. For instance, sudden pipe bursts are usually covered, but gradual leaks or flooding from natural disasters might not be. So always check your policy and document everything before and during the restoration process. So, to sum it up, the cost of water damage restoration depends on how severe the situation is, what kind of water you're dealing with, and how quickly you act. The faster you call in professionals, the more you save, both financially and emotionally. If you're facing water damage right now, don't wait. Visit RestorationNurse.com or give us a call and we will connect you with the verified and expert restoration companies near you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might be dealing with water damage today. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next one.